Hello again everyone, and now let's test out the new paper airplane. This is a boomerang paper plane. It should fly very well indoor, but if you want to test it out, let's try it outdoor too, and let's check it out. Hi guys, welcome to another paper airplane tutorial. I'm Tree, and today I'm going to show you guys how to make a new cool paper airplane. This is a new design and it doesn't fly very well outdoor. However, I will test it out. To make this paper airplane, you need a piece of US letter size paper. If you don't have US letter size paper, you can use A4 paper, and you also need a pair of scissors. And now let's start. Let's move the pair of scissors away, and first step, let's fold the paper in half this way. And next, turn the paper like this and fold it in half. And now let's unfold the paper. Now we have two layers. Let's fold this part of the paper up and open the two layers and push it down and match this crease or this edge to the below crease or the center crease. So just fold it. Once you finish this side, let's repeat the same fold for the other side. Now let's fold this part away. Here you go. So this is what we have. On the following step, I will start from this side of the paper. I will fold it out. Alright, and I repeat the same fold for the other side. Here we go. This part of the paper, I will fold it up to hold both sides of the paper together, and at the tip, I'll fold this part of the paper down. Alright. Now I can do it better by unfold this part of the paper. Now we have a crease, and unfold this part as well. So I will unfold everything, and then I'll fold this part of the paper back, and I will insert this flap of the paper into that pocket. And I repeat the same fold for the other side. Right, so it's maybe difficult. So when I finish both sides, I'll fold this side of the paper down to hold both sides of the paper. So this is what we have so far. Next step, I will turn the paper over, and now I fold the paper in half. Alright, and on the following step, I will match this edge to the below edge, or even further. I will match actually. Next step, I will use this slide as a reference to fold this pair of paper. I will match this point to this. So this is what I have so far, and I repeat the same fold for the other side. And here we go. So we have the paper airplane with its very cool wings. So we have two wings. This is not what we want so far, right? So let's stylize this. Now I will use a pair of scissors to cut it and make a new plane. Alright, so this is what we have. I'll fold the paper in half, and at the very end of the paper, like this part of the paper, I will cut it to fold straight up. Let's fold the paper in half first and see how we can cut it. So this is what we have. Now I will cut the paper like this, like very end, this very end part here. I will cut it straight in half. Alright, and then also I want to cut the other part of the paper too, so I'll turn the paper like this, and I'll cut this part, the end of the paper up. Alright, so this is what we have. I'll fold this part of the paper up first to see how it's look like, right? So this is what we have first, and then at this part of the paper I'll fold straight up too. So before I fold it up, I need to turn the paper over, and you can see this line. I'll make a fold. Alright, let me unfold for the wings, and I'll just fold it. I'll match this corner to the other edge. I'm gonna press it that hard. Same thing for the other side. I'll fold it. Here we go. So this is what we have. I'll fold this one up just a little bit more. You know, this edge should be parallel with the upper edge here, so I'll fold it just a little bit more to make us look nice. Here we go. So this look very nice, right? This look very different. So this part of the paper I will fold up too. Maybe not. I'll just fold it like this. Just fold half of the paper up. Actually, just fold half of it up. Make sure that is parallel too. So here we go. So it looks so nice. Same thing for this side. It should be parallel with the center crease, the edge there. Shouldn't fold up too much. So I adjust it just a little bit more, and I adjust this side just a little bit more too, and unfold this. And here we go. Now we have the elevators, these wings, and the second wings here. The second wings here is nice. It has drag a little bit because you can see the hole here, but that is okay. This is okay. This is a cool blend. So at the very end, I'll fold the top part down too. So to make it look totally awesome, I will fold this part of the paper down. So this blend here is the most stabilizers I ever created, but it's look cool. So let's do it. So here we go. We have stabilizers. We have up the above wing stabilizer and below wing stabilizer. So we have so many stabilizers. Anyways, so let's check it out, guys. This is the new paper airplane. I hope you guys will enjoy making this plane. Don't forget to like the video, share the tutorial with your friends, and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and see you next time. Bye bye. How do you think, guys? Isn't this awesome? Let's test this out one more time.